leaving items in the cabs. Spouses Jock and Sharon have just come home from the trip. They find that they left one bag in the taxi.
Jack, where did you put the bag? I don't see it.
Which one?
The black one containing some souvenirs that we bought.
I don't know. I thought you were carrying it.
Oh my gosh. We left it in the cab.
Are you sure? Did you look for it carefully?
I did, Jack.
You might have left it at the airport.
No. I remember putting it into the cab.
We should call the taxi driver. If he finds it, he will return it to us.
But we don't know his number.
So, we should contact the taxi company. They might receive our lost property from the driver.
That sounds reasonable. Please call them now.
Well, do you know the name of that taxi company?
Are you kidding me? You called the taxi, right?
I hailed the taxi at the airport, dear. I didn't pay attention to its name.
Me neither. We were both too tired to notice it.
Was the cab white?
Yeah.
There are only 2 taxi companies with white cabs in the city. We should try calling both.
Okay.
Jack dials the first taxi company's number and explains the situation to the staff. Hello, I recently took a ride in one of your white cabs from the airport.
Sure, I'll assist you. Can you provide any specific details about the taxi you took?
Unfortunately, I don't recall the taxi's name or number. It was a white cab from your company.
I understand. Could you describe the bag you left in the cab?
It's a black bag containing souvenirs that we bought during our trip.
I'll make a note of it. Our drivers often check for lost items and return them to our office. We'll contact you if it's found.
Thank you. We were in a rush and didn't note the taxi's details. I hope it can be located.
We'll do our best. Can I have your contact information, please?
Sure. My phone is 0123555555.
Thank you, Mr. Jack. We'll reach out to you as soon as we have any updates.
Thank you for your assistance. We appreciate it. We hope to hear from you soon.
Let's hope they find it.
Jack calls the second taxi company and repeats the explanation. After providing a description, Jack has received a response stating that, if we obtain any information about your bag, we will notify you as soon as possible.